2 minus 1 which gives us 1. Here 3 minus 1 which gives us 2. Then 1 times 2 which equals to 2. But this answer is not correct. Because according to the order of operation Pemdas, first we have to do parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division, and finally addition or subtraction. Remember that multiplication and division has equal priority. We have to work from left to right. The same is applies to addition and subtraction, okay? In this expression, there is one subtraction here, one multiplication, and there is a parenthesis, okay? Inside the parenthesis, there is a subtraction. According to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, next this multiplication, and finally this subtraction. If we do this subtraction before this parenthesis or this multiplication, it is wrong. Therefore, according to Pemdas, first we have to do this parenthesis, 3 minus 1, which gives us 2. Then 2 minus 1 times 2, okay? So here there is subtraction and multiplication. According to Pemdas, this multiplication has higher priority than the subtraction, because multiplication comes before subtraction, okay? Therefore, we have to multiply this 1 times 2, which gives us 2. Then 2 minus 2, which equals 0. This is the correct answer of this problem, okay? Therefore, the correct answer is equals to 0.